Did you know that when your body isn't digesting and eliminating waste fast enough, it can lead to painful, uncomfortable, and even dangerous health issues? Imagine feeling bloated, weighed down, and unable to fully empty your bowels, day after day. Many people suffer from constipation without even realizing that the buildup in their colon is silently causing inflammation, infections, or even more severe complications like diverticulitis and hemorrhoids. Today, I'm here to share with you 6 proven ways to clear your constipation and unclog your colon, addressing the root causes of the problem. This isn't just another health tip video, it's a journey toward reclaiming your comfort and well-being. Before we begin, remember that this video is for educational purposes only. Always speak to your doctor if you have any medical concerns. Now let's dive in. 1. Use bile acids to lubricate your colon. Picture your liver and gallbladder working together to produce bile, a vital liquid that not only helps digest fats, but also acts as a natural lubricant for your colon. Unfortunately, many people suffer from a sluggish gallbladder or fatty liver, which causes their bile to thicken. When bile isn't flowing freely, it leads to dry, lumpy stool that's difficult to pass. To combat this, consider taking a supplement containing conjugated bile acids. These are sometimes labeled as ox bile. Extract bile acid factors or purified bile salts, and they're often included in digestive enzyme blends. Taking a bile supplement first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, and then again with meals, can help mobilize waste in your colon by lubricating the digestive tract. Imagine your colon as a long, winding river. The smoother the flow, the less chance there is for blockage and buildup. By using bile acids, you're essentially ensuring that your river of digestion runs clear, preventing the buildup of dry feces and reducing the strain on your digestive system. Rehydrate with water and sea salt. Have you ever noticed how sometimes you feel so parched that even your insides seem dry? Dehydration is one of the most common causes of constipation because without enough water, your colon can become very dry, making the stool hard and lumpy. Many people simply do not drink enough water, or they lack essential electrolytes that keep the body hydrated and help stimulate the digestive juices. A simple yet powerful remedy is to drink a pint of water mixed with 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt every morning. The salt is not just for taste. It stimulates the production of hydrochloric acid, HCl, in your stomach, which is crucial for breaking down food. Think of it like jump-starting your digestive engine. By replenishing your fluid levels and providing essential electrolytes, you set the stage for a more active and efficient colon. Just remember, while water is key, too much caffeine from coffee or tea can actually dehydrate you, so balance is important. 3. Boost your gut with prebiotic fiber, soluble fiber. Your gut is home to an entire ecosystem of friendly bacteria, over 100 trillion of them, in fact. These probiotics help digest your food and keep your digestive system running smoothly. However, a diet high in refined grains and sugars can upset this balance, leaving your gut bacteria less diverse and less effective. That's why incorporating foods rich in soluble fiber is so important. Foods such as chia seeds, avocados, hummus, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, pecan nuts, and fermented vegetables like sauerkraut provide the fuel your gut microbes need to thrive. When these friendly bacteria ferment soluble fiber, they produce short-chain fatty acids that not only help move waste through your colon, but also reduce inflammation in your intestines. Imagine your gut as a garden. Soluble fiber is like fertilizer that helps your good bacteria grow strong, keeping the soil, your colon, rich and healthy. Balance your stomach acid with apple cider vinegar. For those who suffer from acid reflux, GERD, or persistent heartburn along with constipation, there may be a hidden imbalance at play. Often the issue is that your stomach acid becomes too alkaline. Without the proper amount of acid, your body struggles to break down food, leading to indigestion and a sluggish digestive process. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, can help restore balance. Taking 2 to 3 capsules of ACV with a tall glass of water before each meal or mixing 1 tablespoon of liquid ACV in water can help lower your stomach's pH back to a normal range. This adjustment not only improves digestion, but also stimulates your pancreas to release the enzymes needed to break down food effectively. Picture your stomach as a workshop where every tool must be in perfect condition. If the acid is off, the tools won't work, and waste will accumulate. ACV acts as a tune-up, helping your digestive system work like a well-oiled machine. Soothe your colon with senna tea. When you're in the midst of a bout of constipation, sometimes your body just needs a little extra help to get things moving. Senna tea is a well-known herbal remedy that stimulates peristalsis, the muscular contractions that push waste through your large intestine. Containing natural phytonutrients, senna tea is highly effective for short-term relief of constipation. It's important to note that senna tea should be used for a maximum of 7 days, up to 3 times per day. While it works wonders for quick relief, relying on it for more than 1 or 2 weeks can lead to dependency and worsen constipation over the long term. Think of senna tea as a gentle nudge for your colon. It gets things moving, but it's not a long-term fix. For sustainable relief, pair senna with other natural remedies that address the underlying causes of your sluggish digestion. Revitalize your digestion with B vitamins. Many people who suffer from constipation also experience a deficiency in B vitamins, particularly vitamin B1 thiamine and other B-complex vitamins. These essential nutrients play a crucial role in nerve signaling and muscle function, including the smooth muscle contractions of your gut. When you eat a diet high in refined foods, such as flour, bread, pastries, and sugary snacks, you deplete your body's stores of these vitamins, leading to poor communication between your brain and your digestive muscles. High levels of stress further exacerbate this problem by increasing cortisol levels, which can slow down digestion. Taking a B-complex supplement, or specifically B1, L-thiamine, the best natural form, can help relax your nervous system and restore proper gut motility. You can also boost your intake by eating foods like unfortified nutritional yeast and garlic. Imagine your digestive system as a well-coordinated team. Without enough B vitamins, the team can't communicate effectively, leading to delays and blockages. Supplementing with B vitamins reactivates that communication, ensuring waste moves smoothly through your colon. Constipation is more than just an inconvenience. It can lead to serious health problems such as inflammation, infections, and even damage to your pelvic floor muscles. By addressing the root causes with these natural remedies, you can help clear out the waste from your colon and restore balance to your digestive system. Imagine a life where you feel light, energized, and free from the discomfort of constipation. With the right approach, using bile acids, hydrating with water and sea salt, boosting your gut with soluble fiber, balancing your stomach acid with apple cider vinegar, relying on senna tea for occasional relief, and fortifying your system with B vitamins, you can make that vision a reality. Every step you take to improve your digestion is an investment in your overall health and well-being. Remember, your colon is not just a waste disposal system. It's a vital part of your body that influences your immune function, energy levels, and even your mood. Thank you so much for watching. I hope these tips help you achieve a healthier, happier gut. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who might benefit from these natural solutions. Stay healthy, stay informed, and here's to a life free from constipation and full of vitality.